Okay, welcome to my next video. Okay, now we like to continue the drawing from the triangle, and the second one is draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral has six types of quadrilateral. Okay, the first quadrilateral, four sides of quadrilateral is the first one is the square. Okay, the square is so simple. First of all, you draw a horizontal line from A to B, 32 to 40. It's about 80 millimeter. A and B is equal to 80 millimeter. Okay, now a square is each sides of the side has an equal length. Each side of the side has an equal length. So every side A, B, C at the top, C, D, E, and E, A have an equal length. So we draw the side of the length, which is also 80 millimeter. Use your T-square and your set square. Put it on a table like this, which is you can slide like this, and then you put your set square on the top of on the scale of the T-square, and it can roll on the rail like this. Okay, so you put it at number 1. Okay, number 1 like this, and then you can count to the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you draw from 9, 1 to 9. Okay, and then also the other sides of A, 1 to 9, 1 to 9. So you got a square, which is an 80 millimeter also on this side, and then 80 on the other side, and at the top you also A, B, C, and D. Okay, 80 millimeter. Okay, so you got A, B, C, and D, which is 80 millimeter, also 80. Okay, now the second one I want you to draw is a rectangle. I would like to skip the rectangle because it is just the same as the square. And has two equal sides, and the other two also an equal side from the opposite of the side equal, so it got longer like your TV. So the step is just the same as the square. Okay, so I skip that. Okay, now the second is the triangle, and the second is a rectangle. I skip it, and the third one is called a rhombus. Okay, rhombus also has the same equal sides. Each of it has an equal sides, but two of the side is like it has the two same angle, just like this one. Okay, now I like to draw a rhombus. put it on 42 to 46. You just draw it a small rhombus, or 47. Okay, you got it. 42 to 47 is about 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter, like this. And then mark it as A and B. Mark it as A and B, just like this. And then you want it to you want the rhombus has about 60. Put it on the which is called angle, or we call it an angle. Then measure it to 60, and then just measure it to 60 degrees, and you put. Okay, now you got a line which has a 60 degrees angle. 60 degrees. Also at B, you can also put a 60 degrees. Use your angle ruler like this and mark it as 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 60 over here. Now we got a 60 degrees, and then draw the line from B to C. This is A to D. Okay, now 50, you measure it from A to B, which is equal to 50, and then you put it right here, 50 degrees. Okay, just like this, and then you put it to B, 50 millimeter, sorry, and then you got the AB is equal to BC, CD is equal to DA, which is the same side, just like the square, but the angle is much more different. This is a 90-degree angle. Also, this one is also 90-degree angle, but this one is 60, and the other side is how much? 120 degrees, which is this side is 60 degrees, and the total on the horizontal line is about 180. If you put it like here and like this is 60 degrees, total is 180 degrees. Okay, this is, we call it a rhombus, RHOMBUS. Okay, there's one more of a rhombus, which is called a rhomboid. Rhomboid is just like this one, but we the AB is much longer than BC, so it is a rectangular rhombus. Rectangular rhombus, we call it a rhomboid. Rhomboid, much longer, we call it rhomboid, and I would like to skip that. Okay, so, and then the third one, I would like you to draw a trapezium. A trapezium, Very simple, very simple. Each side is different from the other side. One side is different from the other side. Okay, so I would like you to draw a trapezium. We draw it from the top first, like this, because the other drawing has already invaded the column. Okay, the other drawing, and I don't want to erase it. Okay, so we build it from the top, 32 to 37 to 40, and mark it as A and B. Mark it as A and B like this. Okay, now the trapezium has a okay, AB, and the other side is at about 33 to 30. Sorry. Okay, now the trapezium, which is every side is different. Okay, every side is different, so just draw it lah. Just draw it like this. 8 to 4 centimeter, or we call it a AB, and the other one is 5 centimeter. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeter. A, B, C, and D has a different side. This is called a now this is one is how much is 80 millimeter. This one is 40 millimeter, and the other one is 50 millimeter, and this one is about 51 millimeter, 53 millimeter. So each side has a different side and different angle, and we call it a trapezium. Okay. Okay, the last one is a trapezium. Okay, trapezium has two of the line is parallel each other. 42 to 47 is about 70. I would like to take it as 50 lah. Okay, 42 to 50. 80 millimeter. And mark it as A and B. Mark it as A and B. And the other side, I would like you to draw about 44 to 49. 44 to 49 is 50 millimeter. Okay. So B, C, mark it as C and D. Okay. So this is a trapezium. What is the meaning of trapezium? Trapezium is every side is not equally, but the two lines of horizontal line or a vertical line is parallel. Parallels mean selari each other. Selari each other, which is we call it trapezium. Okay. Square, rhombus, trapezium, rhomboid, and trapezium. Okay, that's all for quadrilateral. And then the the 8 column has finished its drawing, and I want you to put on the title is triangle. Put it on the title is triangle and quadrilateral. Triangle and quadrilateral. That's all. Thank you.